In today's fast-paced digital age, artificial intelligence, AI, has become more than just a buzzword. It's a tool that is transforming industries and creating new job opportunities worldwide. But did you know that AI can also help you work remotely and earn money from the comfort of your home? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, AI offers endless opportunities for those willing to embrace the future. AI-powered careers are growing rapidly, and there are many ways you can use these tools to your advantage. For instance, AI-driven content creation is a great way to start. Many companies need blog posts, articles, and website content, but struggle to produce it consistently. By using AI writing tools, you can speed up the content creation process while maintaining high-quality results. Similarly, video editing has become more efficient with AI-based tools that automate transitions, captions, and even video enhancement, making it easier to work with social media influencers or businesses. Graphic design is another promising field. Businesses always need logos, social media posts, and promotional graphics, and AI-based design tools can generate layouts, color schemes, and design suggestions in seconds. If you're more interested in data, you can work as a data annotator, tagging images, videos, or text to help train machine learning models. Companies that focus on self-driving cars or sentiment analysis constantly require labeled data. And you can start by registering on platforms like Appen or Lionbridge. For those with teaching skills, online tutoring is evolving with AI. You can enhance your lessons by using AI tools to analyze student performance and create personalized learning plans. Another area gaining traction is AI-powered e-commerce, where tools can analyze market trends, suggest popular products, and optimize your online store for better customer engagement. This is ideal for starting a drop-shipping business or managing inventory more efficiently. Virtual assistant services also benefit greatly from AI, allowing you to streamline tasks like scheduling, data entry, and email management. This enables you to handle more clients and provide faster, more accurate services. To find opportunities in these fields, you can explore freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, where thousands of remote jobs are posted every day. Networking on LinkedIn can also connect you with businesses seeking your skills, and taking online courses can help you upskill quickly. Artificial intelligence isn't just shaping the future, it's opening doors to new income streams today. From content creation to e-commerce, these AI-powered remote jobs are not only innovative but also practical. The best part? Many of them require minimal investment to get started. This video itself was scripted and edited using AI, proving how accessible these tools are to everyone. So, are you ready to take the next step and start earning from the power of AI? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content.